You want to give me attitude? No, I'm ready. Don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist. Take off your backpack.
September 5th, 2022. Clearwater Police contact two women with alcohol on Pier 60 Beach, where possession is prohibited. One subject provides false identification and attempts to leave during lawful detention. A routine ordinance violation escalates to criminal arrest, illustrating Fourth Amendment authority and the consequences of dishonesty with law enforcement.
Oh my God.
Hello, how y'all doing?
Hi.
How's it going?
You have IDs?
We don't. We're not with us.
How old are you, ladies?
I'm 21.
21?
How
Okay.
about you, ma'am?
21.
Okay. You have anything with your name or anything like that?
No, I didn't bring any either.
Nothing? Nothing on your phone or anything like that?
I could double check.
Can you please?
Do you have one issued to you?
What do you mean?
Do you have like a license?
Like an ID? Yeah.
Do you have a nice license out of Florida?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Jaden.
Spell it for me.
Jadyn.
Can you pass me the high move, please?
Ariana!
Ladies, we're not
done with y'all. Where y'all going?
We're not done. Just stand by.
Okay.
No, you can't. You said what? If you want to?
Are we being under arrest?
Yeah, you guys are detained. What do you mean you can leave if you want to?
We're not being under arrest. You guys didn't say that.
You're detained right now for open alcohol. We can arrest you for just having alcohol in your hand.
Gotcha.
We aren't going to have to.
Do me this favor, just stand right here.
You're saying.
Stand right here, please.
We're trying to make this more. We're not trying to.
Y'all aren't. Y'all just came and bothered us for
No, we're not bothering y'all.
We're just doing our job.
Okay.
Okay, well then we can leave. Like, that's not a problem.
You want to give me attitude? No, I'm ready. Don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist. Take off your backpack.
They're just bored.
Now we have a reason for you to stay, right?
It's called an attitude. Attitude got you in handcuffs, honestly.
No, because you could have just left and you want to start stuff for no reason.
You want to learn how to be an adult real
It's
quick.
not an attitude, it's just attitude.
It's called an attitude.
You can talk to me, I can talk to you. You have a right, right? I can walk, you don't have to grab me.
pushing.
I don't say anything else. We don't need to
Stop
talk to
racing and pushing yourself away. You're pushing away from me. Just right here. Stand right there. Thank you.
Can you please let go of me? I don't feel comfortable.
Jesus Christ. $45 minutes.
You don't
Terry versus Ohio establishes officers may detain individuals with reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Visible alcohol on a prohibited beach satisfies this standard. Florida Statute 901.36 criminalizes false identification during lawful detention, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying 1 year jail time. Florida Statute 843.02 prohibits resisting without violence, including attempting to flee during detention. Graham versus Connor requires use of force be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight.
A-N-A-R-A-S-E-R-T.
Spell your first name again for me.
I don't want to. It's okay.
45 on 12, code 5, check my name. You're gonna catch 2 charges if you want to be difficult. I'm gonna let that sink in for you. You guys could literally walk out of here. We were just trying to give you guys a warning to leave.
We were trying to leave.
We were gonna give you one,
but
the thing
that.
is,
We knew we were not supposed to do that, so
hold
we're
on.
leaving.
Let me talk. Let me talk. Your mouth got yourself in these handcuffs.
No, it's because you guys are bored. We took the warning and we were gonna leave.
First name is Jaden, John, Adam, Delta, Yankee, Nora, middle initials Diaz, and Delta. Last name is Barrera. Baker, Adam, Romeo, Romeo, Edward, Romeo, Adam. Date of birth is 3/7/2001. Hispanic female.
Yes, no? No? Okay. There you told me you were.
Huh? I have a feeling she's 2. She don't look like she's 21. But she don't want to talk, so she catch 2 charges. I don't want to give it down.
Check David.
No, I haven't yet. No.
What's your last check?
Yeah. Oh, that tells me that you're lying. And if you refuse and you give me your name, that's another charge.
I'm not lying about my name.
Okay, but the things I'm letting you know, I'm looking it up. But it's not coming
back.
back.
For you to look up. Why do you want me to say it again?
Jalen, how do you spell your first name?
You spelled it right.
Jadyn.
Yeah, I said that.
What's your middle initial?
I said it already.
Oh my God, why are you so difficult?
Darrera. 33611.
Did I ask all that?
Okay, I already said it.
What's your middle name?
Doreen
Last name?
Barrera.
Date of birth?
3702.
02 is not 01 now, huh?
Okay.
45. Instead of the year 2001, it's actually 2002.
What is it? I spelled Jaden what?
Jadyn. Middle name is D. Last name is Barrera. And she gave me a fake birthday. It's actually 2002. Jadyn. 10-4. Can you drop that in my call, please?
Go to 10.
Officers receive a B+. The contact was justified. The detention was lawful under Terry. The arrest had probable cause under Florida Statute 901.36 once false information was confirmed. Force remained appropriate under Graham v. Connor, limited to soft control without strikes or takedowns. However, critical issues prevent a higher grade. The statement, it's called attitude, suggests personal offense influenced the decision. You want to learn how to be an adult real quick is unprofessional. Handcuffing occurred before false information was definitively established. The claim you could have just left is factually wrong. She was detained. The de-escalatory conversation in the patrol car came too late. That approach earlier might have prevented arrest. Arresting for minor violations, beach drinking, and false information raises proportionality concerns. Citations achieve accountability without arrest consequences. Solid legal performance, questionable judgment. Jaden Barrera receives a C-. She possessed alcohol at 20 years old, violating Florida Statute 562.11. She deliberately lied about her birth year, 2001, instead of 2002, violating Florida Statute 901.36. When systems flagged the discrepancy, she attempted to leave, violating Florida Statute 843.02. Each decision escalated her exposure from civil infraction to multiple first-degree misdemeanors, carrying up to 1 year jail time. Mitigating factors. She did not physically resist after handcuffing, eventually provided accurate information, and her age provides context for poor judgment. The grade reflects serious violations balanced against youth and ultimate compliance. Ariana receives a B-. Same initial violation, different outcome. She provided truthful information, remained calm, did not attempt to flee, and did not interfere. While her companion was arrested, Ariana received a warning or citation. This differential treatment directly reflects differential conduct. Honesty and cooperation produced better results than deception and resistance. Marked down only for the initial ordinance violation. 4 critical lessons. First, lying to police during detention is a criminal offense under Florida Statute 901.36, carrying up to 1 year jail time. Second, during Terry stops, you cannot leave until investigation concludes. Attempting to leave is resisting under Florida Statute 843.02. Third, honesty matters. Both subjects committed identical violations. One was honest and walked away. The other lied and was arrested. Fourth, officer discretion exists. While arrest was legal, citation would have achieved the same accountability. Proportionality matters in policing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.
Where you at? Where you at? Can you come down to Pier 60, the south, for a transport for female? Yeah, just south of the sand, literally underneath here.
South Lake City. We have a patrol unit available, and we need a cage out here. We're on the sand, south of Pier 60. 10-4. We're gonna need one more. What's your name?
Have a safer car, please.
Yeah,
My
what's your
name's
name?
Ariana.
Ariana. We're gonna sit you in this car.
They're in her bag.
Which one? This one? Let's see. Watch the dog. Have a seat, ma'am.
Have a seat. Jaden, I got your car with AC, so come on.
We gotta take your hat off for you, okay?
You live with your parents?
Yeah.
What's your parents' phone number? Jaden, can I be real with you right now, or am I just gonna be wasting my breath?
I mean, you can.
I don't think you're still not taking it seriously, but to be real with you, like, go ahead, hold on. 10-4. Look around. Do you really think I'm out here? How you said I was bored. Do you really think I take excitement of giving people citations for alcohol? Do you think I'm out here every single day arresting people for alcohol?
I don't know.
But
But respectfully, we were just trying to leave.
let's be like logical here. You think I'm really knowing how the world is? There's so much more important things I need to focus on, right? You and both and I can agree to that. Okay, I get what you're saying, but I'm letting you know it's a two-way conversation. I'm letting you know your information's not coming back because you lied. So how is that my fault? You lied about your birthday, so of course it's gonna come back. Hey, your information's not coming back, and then you give me attitude, and then you're telling me that you're demanding to leave. I'm like, no, that's not how it works.
I wasn't demanding to leave. I said we were trying to leave.
But that's not
we
how it
weren't trying to
works.
start anything.
That's not how it works.
We were just trying to take the warning and just go home.
Exactly. And if you were to give me the right birthday from the get-go, none of this, you would have not been in handcuffs. And our interaction would have been totally different. You would have probably stayed on the beach, honestly.
I understand.
Okay. So whose phone number is this?
My mom.
Your mother? What's her name?
Jill.
Jill?
Stuff.
I'll turn it and check.